Nature is a master of innovation, crafting solutions that have inspired human invention for centuries. From the sleek form of a bird's wing optimizing aerodynamics to the honeycomb structure used by bees, each design serves a purpose. The lotus leaf's ability to repel dirt and water has led to the development of self-cleaning surfaces. The unique arrangement of leaves in a sunflower optimizes sunlight absorption, a principle used in solar panel design. Nature teaches us efficiency, adaptability, and sustainability. These ingenious adaptations validate the idea that to solve modern challenges, we should look to the natural world, where evolution has perfected countless designs over millennia.